모르고스의 왕관을 든 오크의 입장과 함께 시작되는 힘의 반지 시즌 2.
Leaving us alone. Under me, your new master, Sauron. And with a new age, I bring a new vision.
화면은 아다르가 오크들과 함께 과거 사우론과 만나는 모습을 비춥니다.
For I seek a new kind of power. Not of the flesh, but over flesh. By bringing its peoples together to rule them all as one. I am your only future! And my path, your only path!
하지만 오크들은 이런 사우론을 탐탁치 않게 여겼고 결국 아다르의 배신과 함께 오크들의 공격이 시작되죠. 이때 사우론은 죽기 직전 인간의 육신을 버리고 도망쳐버립니다. 그리고 아다르는 자신이 사우론을 죽였다고 믿게 되죠.
Martha, my children, you are free.
하지만 사우론의 검은 피는 기괴한 형체가 되어 작은 생명체들을 잡아먹기 시작합니다. 그러다 사우론은 결국 인간까지 잡아먹게 되었고 그가 바로 할브란드였죠. 며칠 뒤 모르도르로 향하려는 사우론.
That way lies death, friend. And we were the fortunate ones.
Perhaps the fortunate ones were the first to die.
I can see it in your eyes. There's another life waiting for you. You just have to turn toward it.
That heraldry, what is it?
A symbol of kings long dead.
Your family?
No. My family served them.
Grim reminder.
Or a hopeful one. A sure path may crumble, but there's always another. Go with us if you like.
일단 사우론은 오크들을 거느리는 아다르를 상대로 당장은 이길 수 없다는 걸 느끼고 사람들과 함께 배에 오르기로 하는데요. 그런데 이때 느껴지는 불길한 기운.
Grab hold of something.
그렇게 배는 바다 괴물에 의해 산산조각납니다. 겨우 살아남은 사우론은 우연히 노인이 들고 있던 남보왕의 상징을 가지게 되었는데요. 그리고 이후 운명처럼 갈라드리엘과 만난 것이었죠. 한편 모든 진실을 알게 된 갈라드리엘은 앞으로의 일을 논의하기 위해 요정왕과 엘론드를 만나는데요.
Is it true?
Herald Elrond carries 3 rings. A means of halting the fading. And saving our people.
We will discuss the rings once you have answered the question. Who is he?
He is not what I thought.
Now, who is this man?
He is no man. He has been masquerading as one. He is Sauron.
동요하기 시작하던 요정왕은
The rings. Show them to me.
We dare not use them, High King. He's no doubt
He
corrupted
never
them.
touched them,
He
High
worked
King.
with Celebrimbor for weeks. We cannot know the depth of his influence.
Those rings are more than our last hope. They may be the last hope for all Middle-earth. It is a risk we must chance to take.
Sauron has not yet amassed that degree of power. These rings may be how he attains it. They must be destroyed.
That decision is far above your privilege, one you endanger with each moment you refuse to obey. I will not utter it again.
Durodi.
Manachir Pedetanin.
Han irra Durodi.
고민하던 엘론드는 결국
Ubelin Karetan.
Genpoti.
Elrond, no!
Kesto Andi, Kesto Nihir. Enna!
한편 화면은 이제 아다르가 있는 곳으로 향한 사우론을 비춥니다.
Welcome to Mordor. Right, you there. You swear allegiance to Adar? The King of the Southlands turned himself in, Lord.
Let my people go.
My people defeated the men of these lands. There is no one left for us to fear.
There is one. Since Galadriel's defeat, she sought out a new ally. One you first told her about. A power over flesh. Do you remember those words? A power that will allow him to use your children as slaves in his army once more. Set my people free and I will tell you where he can be found.
You will tell me everything you think you know of this sorcerer now.
You can't kill me.
In time, you will beg me to.
그렇게 사우론은 고문을 당하며 정신을 잃죠.
In the eldest of the elder days, 13 of us were chosen to be blessed of Morgoth's hand with the promise of power. And after what seemed endless thirst and hunger, I saw it. And it was beautiful. Sauron's face.
아다르는 사우론이 혹시나 부활했을지 모른다는 생각에 할브란드의 모습을 한 사우론에게 정보를 요구합니다.
Now tell me what you know of Sauron.
Sauron has returned in a new form. I am not yet certain what shape he has taken.
Then of what use are you to me?
I have something you don't. The trust of the elves. Release me, and I'll go to them and seek him out, so you can marshal your legions to destroy him.
사우론의 말에 고민에 빠진 아다르.
You vow allegiance to Adar, Lord Father of the Uruks.
Yes.
Then kneel.
결국 사우론은 자신의 정체를 숨기는데 성공하죠.
At my feet.
I vow to serve the Lord of Mordor.
그렇게 사우론이 아다르에게서 풀려나는 사이 별을 찾아 헤매던 거인은 무언가를 발견합니다.
You had that dream again last night, didn't you?
It's the heat, that's all.
다음날 거인 일행은 결국 지도에서 봤던 땅을 찾아내는 데 성공하는데요.
Welcome to the lands of Rune. Why are you looking at it like that?
Like what?
Like you've been here before.
Only in dreams.
한편 계속 거인을 감시하던 자는 이 소식을 누군가에게 알리러 가죠.
What tidings from the White Wings?
Sauron's shadows deepening. It is said he has taken a new form to deceive his enemies.
And the Istar?
He is lost, vulnerable.
But he will not be for long. We must reach him before he learns to harness his powers.
Master, one of the trackers you sent out has returned.
Have you found him?
I didn't just find him. I know how to capture him. Heal the curse upon our flesh, and I will bring you the Istar in chains.
When my most powerful acolytes could not.
The Istar will surrender to me. Because if he doesn't, I will slaughter the halflings he calls friends.
다음 날 룬의 땅으로 향하던 거인 일행은 말발굽 소리에 급히 몸을 숨기는데요.
They're still close. Mount up!
Who were they?
I don't know. They are watching our trail. Meaning we'd be wise to find another.
그렇게 거인 일행은 추적자들을 따돌리는 데 성공하지만 무더위와 갈증으로 인해 그만 거인이 쓰러지고 맙니다. 이때 노리의 친구가 다행히 우물을 발견하고 그렇게 거인은 물을 마신 뒤 정신을 차리고 우연히 근처에 있던 지팡이 하나를 발견합니다.
What is it?
From the staff I saw in my dream.
그런데 이때 결국 추적자들에게 들킨 이들.
We were just having a drink of water.
Fangor Niganville!
What are you doing? Get down!
이때 그가 주문을 외우자 엄청난 모래바람이 일어납니다.
Why isn't he stopping it? He can't!
하지만 거인은 자신의 힘을 제어하지 못했고 노리는 날아갈 위기에 처하는데요. 그렇게 어이없게도 놀이가 저 멀리 날아가 버린 사이 이제 화면은 반지를 갖고 도망친 엘론드를 비춥니다.
You needn't hide any longer.
Please forgive the unexpected nature of my visit, but I have nowhere else to turn.
지혜로운 요정이라고 알려진 키르단을 찾은 엘론드.
And the elves are facing our greatest test in an age.
I perceive you carry something in your charge. What have you brought here?
그 시간 요정왕은 켈레브린보르에게 할브란드가 사우론이라는 긴급 서신을 전합니다.
I have yet to thank you for trusting me regarding the rings.
Trusting you. I should have you thrown in fetters and cast to the Etten Moors for what you've done.
Then why have you not?
I am considering it.
I swear to you, High King, I will not stop until he is destroyed. And I have put this right.
You would not be here now if I thought otherwise.
한편 엘론드는 키르단에게 그간의 일을 말하며 반지를 꺼냅니다.
If what you've told me is true, these three rings were made without Sauron's touch.
The enemy is cunning. The rings may well be a ploy on his part, a device in some larger plan, the end of which we cannot yet see. The rings must be destroyed.
Do so, and the age of the elves will end. We would be abandoning all Middle-earth to its fate. Could you accept that?
If to do otherwise means falling prey to the designs of the enemy. Yes.
You do your father proud.
그런데 이때 저 멀리서 말발굽 소리가 들려옵니다.
Let me speak with him first. Please, High King. Elrond. I have come to coax you willingly. I should have trusted you, as I asked you to trust me. With three, there is balance. Don't you remember? We chose this path together.
What so frightens you cannot consider the possibility of their corruption?
Where is Círdan?
You did what you must, Galadriel.
Where are the rings?
그 시간 키르단은 엘론드의 부탁대로 반지를 없애려 하고 있었는데요. 다음 날 요정들을 불러 모은 요정왕.
The light of the Eldar. Our days in Middle-earth are ended.
하지만 이때 반지의 유혹을 못 이긴 키르단이 나타납니다.
Perfection does not exist only in Valinor, High King. It is here. Celebrimbor has brought it to Middle-earth.
No!
Galadriel.
결국 요정왕과 키르단 그리고 갈라드리엘이 반지를 서로 나눠 끼게 되는데요. 그렇게 반지의 힘으로 요정들은 가운데 땅에서 계속 살아갈 수 있게 되었죠. 하지만 그날 이후 갈라드리엘은 매일같이 환영에 시달리기 시작합니다.
Are they not the seeds you planted?
Ishnas golu faz gushu zulu skapa. Rukshu klar tu bolshu shartishi uglost. Dugash na bolshu bukshak namfat.
며칠 뒤 요정왕과 회의를 가지던 갈라드리엘.
It would be wiser to attack Adar from the east.
What of the whereabouts of Sauron?
Our spies indicate that Sauron was last seen traveling into Mordor. If we move swiftly, we may be able to crush two spiders with one boot.
And what says the commander of the northern armies? Galadriel.
We should send ships up the Anduin. Invade Mordor from the west.
이때 그녀에게 무언가 이상함을 느끼는 요정왕. 결국 그녀는 모든 걸 털어놓기로 하죠.
Sauron's plan is in motion. Even now, I know it. Since the wearing of this ring, I have felt perceived.
You believe the rings have kindled your ability to see that which has not yet come to pass.
그러자 요정왕 역시 최근 이상한 환영들에 시달렸다고 말합니다.
He knows my mind, and I know his, which is why I must face him.
You once considered him a friend.
Halbrand was not.
Sauron. You cannot face him alone.
그날 밤 요정왕은 갈라드리엘을 호출합니다.
You summoned me?
You depart for Eregion at first light with 5 of our bravest elves.
Elrond, I am very grateful you have decided to join my company.
I'm afraid you misunderstand, Galadriel. Elrond's task is not to join your company, but to lead it.
그렇게 갈라드리엘은 엘론드의 지휘하에 들어가고 그 시간 사우론은 갈라드리엘이 보았던 환영처럼 켈레브림보르를 찾았습니다.
If you do not leave willingly, you shall be removed by force. I can treat with you no longer. She said you'd say that. Galadriel, you have spoken with her. Well, haven't you? I have not. Not since she left for Lindon.
Nothing of the rings. Oh, I see.
곧바로 사우론은 반지 이야기로 그의 환심을 삽니다.
The rings. Did they work? They worked wonders.
And, Lindon?
Yes.
켈레브림보르는 이 소식에 매우 기뻐했고 이때 사우론이 본심을 드러냅니다.
Are you my friend?
Yes, of course.
그리고 사우론은 그에게 무언가를 부탁하는데요.
Well, to plead with you to make rings for men.
Elves are not men. Men are covetous.
The risks of corruption are far greater.
My name is not Elrond.
이때 사우론은 사실 자신이 신의 사자라고 말하며 켈레브림보르를 설득하기 시작하죠.
Mordor's rise was but the beginning. At this very moment, all Middle-earth balances on the brink of the abyss. Soon, every realm will fall. The darkness is growing stronger, and the rings of power are our last hope of restoring the light.
You cannot expect me to believe.
하지만 켈레브림보르가 쉽게 믿지 않자 결국 사우론은 자신의 능력을 이용해 그를 현혹시킵니다.
Halbrand!
Possessing the craft to save all Middle-earth. When our work is complete, never again will the world overlook you as the mere scion or failed, but forevermore will fear you.
빛과 함께 모습을 바꾼 사우론의 모습에 완전히 속는 켈레브림보르.
You need not bow to me. Rise. Our work begins now.
What am I to call you?
A sharer of gifts. Annatar.
Annatar.
그렇게 사우론이 계획을 진행하는 사이 둘이는 아내와 함께 장을 보고 있었는데요.
Have you tried to talk to your father?
Disa, you know he will never agree to see me.
That's not what I asked.
Why should I be the one to ask for an audience? He disowned me.
그런데 이때
I said brace yourselves!
갑자기 무너지기 시작하는 크아자톰. 그리고 크아자톰은 어둠 속에 잠기고 말죠. 그날 밤 둘이는 켈레브림보르가 보낸 초청장을 받습니다.
What is it? Is it Elrond?
It's some sort of invitation from Lord Celebrimbor.
Welcome. Thank you for making the journey.
And exactly what aid do you think you could provide?
Rings. These rings will be beyond any power yet devised by dwarf, or man, or elf. Power to heal your mountain, just as they have healed our great tree.
둘인 부부는 반지의 힘으로 광산을 치유할 수 있다는 말을 듣지만
A generous offer, Lord Celebrimbor. But why not take it to our king?
Durin the Elder has always been hesitant to accept outside aid by one of his own.
I'm afraid that'd be of little help.
We summoned you here to help you. Bringing your father a means of saving his kingdom might be just the way to earn back his respect.
Who exactly are you?
Yes, forgive me. This is...
Annatar. Elrond said that you were the wisest of all the dwarves.
You've given us much to consider. Might we have a wee moment to mull it over?
I am
Certainly.
afraid.
Take whatever time you need.
그날 밤 크아자tum.
Say, the food merchants are outside. They're going to petition you to open the royal grain reserves.
How long will the reserves last?
3 months.
Send them in.
Sire.
이때 두린 왕자가 아버지를 찾아 반지에 대해 말합니다.
Celebrimbor claims these rings will give us the power to solve our dilemma.
Is that all you've come to say?
No. I was wrong.
You look terrible.
Father, this power in Eregion, I don't trust it.
한편 누메노르에선 죽은 왕의 장례식이 열리고 있었는데요. 장례식이 끝난 그날 밤 유품을 챙겨보던 미리엘.
Your father's effects.
이때 사촌 파라존이 그녀의 방에 들어오는데요.
Why are you here?
Show me what you hide behind your back.
Nothing, cousin.
What is time for you to choose? Your gown.
What is the occasion?
Your coronation. It is time that we attend to the concerns of the living.
My father wore white.
As you prefer.
겉으론 미리엘을 챙겨주는 파라존이었지만 사실 그는 왕의 자리를 넘보고 있었죠.
After Medieval's warmongering, many are ready to raise it again.
Many is hardly enough to supplant a queen.
Queen Regent. The blind one.
What if someone knew a way to turn many into enough?
In the event that someone did, why would they not bring it forth?
What was it you were about to say, Earian?
I found something. Something secret.
이때 미리엘이 금지된 물건을 갖고 있다는 걸 전해 듣는 파라존. 한편 아론디르는 누군가의 장례를 치르고 있었는데요. 그건 바로 얼마 전 화살에 맞았던 브로닌이었죠.
What happened? There is a foulness in all Garrows, not easily forgotten by human flesh.
직접적인 아론디르의 잘못은 아니었지만 세오는 그에게 불만을 표합니다.
Failed to protect.
After it fell, I felt such anger toward Morgoth that I felt most anger towards myself.
It is a thirst that can never be slaked, and in the end it will drink you dry.
Anything you were to me is ashes now. So for my part, we don't ever need to speak again.
그 시간 누메노르에선 미리엘의 대관식이 열리고 있었습니다. 하지만 전쟁에서 가족을 잃은 사람들이 미리엘을 비판하기 시작하고
With his dying words, the king spoke to me and said it was from this she took counsel.
It is because of this our kinsman died in Middle-earth. This elf stone is your queen!
Silence!
그리고 이때 기다렸다는 듯 말을 꺼내는 파라존.
Lies. Numenor's true ruler would never place trust in an elvish artifact. Take it away and destroy it.
No! The Palantir is mine.
그렇게 대관식이 아수라장으로 변하던 그때 누메노르의 길조인 거대 독수리가 나타납니다.
Farazon! Farazon! The eagle favors Farazon!
결국 파라존은 계획대로 누메노르의 왕권을 차지하는 데 성공하죠. 한편 두린 왕자는 결국 켈레브린보르를 찾아 난쟁이들을 위한 반지를 받기로 합니다. 그리고 사우론의 손을 거쳐 난쟁이들의 반지가 완성되기 시작하죠. 그 시간 켈레브린보르에게 향하는 엘론드와 갈라드리엘.
Lightning.
No earthly force could do this. This is the work of Sauron.
Kemnir, what other paths might we take?
We go south, through the hills of Turin Gortad.
There is evil in those hills. Sauron means for us to go that way. We must go another.
The enemy is doubtless watching both roads.
This collapse makes it more critical than ever to reach Celebrimbor at speed.
We won't reach anywhere at speed if we walk into a trap.
Your opinion on the matter has been heard.
Elrond.
Opinion heard, Lieutenant. We go south, Menlo.
한편 거인은 날아가 버린 놀이를 찾고 있었는데 그만 이상한 나무에게 빨려 들어가고 맙니다. 그 시간 정신을 차린 놀이.
Poppy! Get up!
하지만 이때 또 추적자의 기척을 느낀 두 사람.
I think we lost them.
Where'd you lot come from?
Where'd you come from?
그런데 이때 같은 털발족을 만난 두 사람은 그의 마을로 같이 가게 되는데요.
Harfoot's living in holes.
Restorers. What were you thinking bringing them here? Nobody's that stupid.
They just needed a place to hide.
결국 놀이는 당분간 이곳에서 지내기로 하죠.
The Eastar is already much more powerful than we had anticipated. It conjured a sandstorm from thin air that killed 2 of my men.
Let the Harfoots be your sole concern. I will see to the Eastar myself.
그렇게 마법사가 거인을 노리는 사이 거인은 한 남자에게 도움을 받는데요.
Let him out again.
Who are you? Been a while since I've been called much of anything, but back in the Withy window, folk used to call me Bombadil.
잠시 후 봄바딜의 집.
What was it that you were hoping to find under those stars of yours, huh?
I was hoping to find my friends.
Shows what stars know, doesn't it?
봄바딜은 한눈에 봐도 평범한 남자는 아니었는데요.
He's looking down.
What are you?
Tell me, who are you? Alone yourself? I'm nameless, but you are young. And I am old.
What do you mean, eldest?
Tom was there before the river and the trees. Tom remembers the first raindrop and the first acorn. He knew the dark under the stars when it was fearless.
This magic. Can you teach it to me?
Teach you? What's to learn way out here?
You wield power over trees, over wind and fire. You wield it as if it belongs to you.
All things belong each to themselves.
Might you teach me how to wield a staff?
A wizard's staff is like a name. It's yours to wield already, if you prove yourself worthy of it.
I was never meant to find a staff under these stars. I was meant to find you, wasn't I?
그렇게 거인이 무언가를 깨달은 사이 추적자들의 소리가 들려오고
We're not alone.
Who are they? Why do they hunt me and my friends?
You're not the first Istar who's eaten honey by my fire. Years ago, there was another, the Dark Wizard.
What became of him?
Once he sought to control magic, like you. Now he controls much of Rune, but still he hungers for more.
His evil will spread?
Not without an ally far more powerful even than himself.
Sauron.
If these two flames combine into one, there will be no end to burning till all Middle-earth is ashes.
Can you stop it?
Great deeds are left to the hands they were placed in.
You mean my hands? Is it my task to stop the fire? Is it my task to face Sauron?
Your task is to face them both.
이렇게 거인이 자신의 사명이 뭔지 깨닫는 사이 아론디르는 갑자기 사라진 세월을 찾고 있었는데요. 그리고 아론디르는 끔찍한 시체 한 구를 발견하죠.
What I saw, I do not believe was done by mortal men.
They're not men. They're animals. They'd eat human flesh if they had to.
Every minute we waste is another Theo still out there. We've got to keep searching. We could canvass Eastfield Glen. Whispers are wild men camp there.
아론디르는 다음 날 수색을 통해 수상한 흔적을 찾아냅니다.
What is it? Come quickly. Theo was not taken by men at all.
그리고 그날 밤 세월을 납치한 녀석의 정체가 밝혀지는데요. 그것은 바로 고대나무 엔트족이었죠. 알고 보니 전쟁으로 인해 동족들이 다쳐 분노한 엔트들이 인간들을 납치했던 것인데요.
They're going out. We will see to it that the trees of this wood are left in peace.
결국 아론디르의 설득으로 엔트들은 납치한 인간들을 풀어주기로 합니다.
Thank you for coming for me.
I made a promise.
Thank you for keeping it.
Now I must keep another. Orcs are on the move. I must follow the trail where it leads. Perhaps have another chance to confront Adar. You can come with me if you wish.
한편 켈레브린보르에게 향하던 엘론드는 수상한 기척을 느낍니다.
What is this place?
Galadriel. Their barding is from Lindon.
The king sent a dispatch to warn Celebrimbor. This dispatch. We must go from this place.
그런데 이때 갑자기 공격을 받는 병사들.
Don't let go!
바로 숲속에 있던 악령들이 깨어난 것인데요.
Prepare yourselves.
결국 악령들과 싸우게 된 이들.
No.
They're impervious to our weapons.
이때 무언가를 깨달은 듯한 엘론드.
Hold fast. Come with me.
Where are you going?
Help me open it.
What?
Not in.
I've done it!
Take it.
엘론드가 준 무기로 악령을 찌르자 악령들이 사라지기 시작합니다.
According to law, only the blades with which they were buried will return such creatures to rest.
But the men buried here have been entombed for over 1,000 years.
I think it's safe to say that something has awoken them.
No. Someone.
한편 그 시간 아다르가 이끄는 오크 부대가 에레기온에 다가가고 있었고 이를 발견하는 엘론드.
That trail. I gather it leads to
Eregion, my liege.
We came in search of Sauron. Instead, we find Adar.
Could they be in league with each other, or perhaps at war?
A legion of orcs have marched into Elvish lands. We are all of us at war.
이때 이들은 발각될 위기에 처하는데요.
Get to Lindon. I will occupy them as long as I am able. Take it.
결국 갈라드리엘이 시간을 끌기 시작합니다.
Sacrificed herself to save us all.
No, you are mistaken, Kemnir. Agerian Edraith and Egor. Hurry!
잠시 후 점점 밀리기 시작하는 갈라드리엘.
Elencila lumen omentielvo.
결국 아다르에게 붙잡힌 갈라드리엘은 그의 아지트로 끌려갑니다.
Udugendisi, uvevannon, achatharon, an inksav gogos.
한편 사우론의 손을 거친 반지가 난쟁이들에게 전해지기 시작합니다.
This way, sire. Something the matter, sire?
Dig here. Sire.
That's a foundation wall. Take it down.
Are you explaining Delvecraft to me? Give me your axe. Father. Axe!
그렇게 반지를 낀 왕이 바위를 깨자 크하자툼의 빛이 돌아옵니다.
Next time I order you to dig, you do so. Here. Here.
그리고 왕의 말대로 바위를 깨며 크하자툼은 다시 원래대로 돌아올 수 있었죠.
At last, it is daybreak once more in our mountain.
그날 밤 에레기온에서 난쟁이들의 보답을 받는 켈레브림보르.
Behold! The doors of Durin. Unbreachable, visible only by moonlight, and guarded by a password known only to friends.
그런데 이때 사우론이 무거운 표정으로 밖에 나가자 뒤따라가는 켈레브림보르.
I find it difficult to stay festive when those most affected by Mordor's rise are still suffering.
Rings for men.
사우론은 하루빨리 인간들의 반지를 만들고 싶어 하지만
Speak of men. Much of the misery of men is of their own making. We cannot give rings to men. The risk of corruption is simply too great.
We find men we can trust. The wisest.
이에 사우론은 반지를 낄 만한 자질을 가진 인간들을 선별해 반지를 전하겠다 말하는데요.
For our third forging, we will make 9.
I am sorry. My answer is no.
You need not apologize. Very well. I shall make the 9 myself.
한편 완전히 누메노르의 권력을 잡은 파라존.
The scepter is now in yours, Father.
이에 엘렌딜은 미리엘에게 다시 왕위를 되찾자 말합니다.
Command us all, and together we can put this right. We swore to keep serving. Now you wish to be still, while the wolves are licking the cradle.
What did you see in the Palantir?
I saw myself riding from the city to I know not where.
Then you did not see it.
What do you mean?
Not every battle must be fought to be won.
I don't understand.
That Palantir has shown me only our island's downfall. But when you touched it, that vision was gone. Changed to a new path. Farazon's kingship is a part of that path. And so are you. No matter how hard they push you, no matter what they try and take, you must not jeopardize Numenor's new destiny. You must remain the calm at the storm's eye.
그렇게 미리엘이 엘렌딜에게 신신당부하는 사이 딸의 선물을 사려던 두린 부부.
200 for that one.
200? For a bloody rot?
I blame the king's new law. For every coin spent, another goes to the crown. Ring tribute, he calls it.
Ring tribute?
선물을 사고 나가려던 그때 그런데 이때 소름 돋는 소리가 들려오고 한편 7명의 난쟁이 왕을 소집한 두린 왕.
Earth is changing and rise together into a new age for our kind. With the help of a power that'll change everything. And bound within each, power. Power to shape the destinies of all dwarves forever. Khazad-dûm shall never want again. There is gold right beneath us.
그렇게 두린 왕은 반지 때문에 점점 탐욕스러워져 가고 있었는데요.
Start to dig. Points for the mark.
Stop! There's something under the mines. Disa heard it herself. A nameless evil. Ancient and powerful. You mustn't dig.
You have your orders, Delmaster.
Narvi, I beg you.
Delmaster, you have your orders.
고민하던 채굴장인은 결국 자리를 뜨죠.
Thousands of years, we have barely taken a thimble from the ocean of our riches. Disa is mistaken. There is no danger.
그 시간 켈레브린보르의 대장간이 소란스럽습니다.
Do my eyes deceive me?
Where is she?
Look out!
What happened?
그녀는 완성된 반지를 끼자 말로 표현할 수 없는 거대한 존재가 자신을 향해 다가왔다고 말합니다.
It was tall, and its skin was made of flames. It came toward me, breathing. I think it's been here. I think it's been here among us all along.
You are with us now. Look around. All is well.
What did you do differently this time?
It would save us immeasurable hours of toil if you would offer this one single word of counsel.
그런데 이때 두린 왕자가 이곳으로 찾아왔다는 소식이 전해지고
I will see what he wants.
No. I will go.
두린은 반지를 끼자 아버지가 변했다고 말합니다.
Dwarf Lord's promise I'm half. A share of their minds. Now, greed is not his way. It never has been. The ring he's wearing.
No. Now, there simply cannot be a fault.
Then maybe the fault's in the ring maker. How much do you really know about this Arnatar?
곧바로 켈레브린보르는 사우론을 찾아가 반지에 이상이 있다고 전하는데요.
Did you, in some way, alter the dwarven rings, yes or no?
No.
그렇게 켈레브린보르가 반지에 이상이 생긴 것이 자신의 탓이라고 생각하는 사이 두린은 아버지께 반지가 위험하다며 경고하지만
Your desire to partner with the elves has saved our kingdom. I need you. Prince Durin.
Durin. Durin, what?
I tried.
Durin, no.
I tried to tell him.
Swear it. Swear to me that you will never wear one of those rings.
I swear it.
이렇게 서서히 사우론의 계획대로 하나둘씩 반지의 힘에 현혹되고 켈레브린보르는 인간의 반지만큼은 결함이 없게 만들이라 다짐합니다. 한편 아다르가 이끄는 오크 부대가 어느새 에레기온까지 도착하는데
High King! A legion of them are headed for Eregion. Galadriel was right. You must send the army to Eregion this moment.
I have reason to believe that Sauron is the architect of all. Our armies cannot defeat both Adar and Sauron. Not alone.
그렇게 요정왕이 망설이는 사이 반지를 만드는데 열중하고 있는 켈레브린보르.
You resist my hand.
Again. More silver.
Some of us have noticed you seem especially ill-tempered of late, my lord.
Everyone take a respite. So deep.
I am well. I'm just fatigued.
Very well then.
Oh, there is something more. The dwarves are late with our mithril.
At once.
사우론은 이 틈을 타 교묘하게 에레기온의 행정을 서서히 장악합니다.
Greatest of elven smiths is consumed by his work. He asks that I handle all matters of administration in his stead. Now, what seems to be at issue?
그 시간 아다르와 대화하는 갈라드리엘.
But sooner or later he sees you. His eye bores a hole, and the rest of him slithers in. Irresistible power that makes every desire's fulfillment seem inevitable. What did he promise you?
An army.
Do you want to know what he offered me?
I care not.
Children.
Then it would seem he gave us both what we desired.
You see, it is not his lies which must be extinguished. It is him. And I can help you do it. I can help you destroy Sauron.
What help could you possibly provide, Orc?
이때 아다르는 모르고스의 왕관을 꺼내들고
Morgoth's crown. I was told.
There are many stories of what happened after the Silmarils were pried from its settings. And your rings would be powerful enough to truly destroy Sauron forever. And I suspect you know for certain. Halbrand is Sauron, isn't he? The fate of that city now rests on your ability to put aside your pride. We will speak again.
한편 거인은 노리가 위험에 처하는 환영을 보게 되고
Snoring? Who's snoring?
I saw something.
The secret fire whispers to us, if we have ears to hear.
How do I learn to master its power? To fight back against the darkness?
What does the secret fire need with you as a master?
But if I cannot master it, how am I to use it? Tell me what I must do.
Follow old Tom, for he will show you.
잠시 후 본바딜은 거인에게 자신만의 지팡이를 찾을 때가 왔다고 말합니다.
Which one is it?
You'll find your true staff only when the vision of your heart is single to the service of the secret fire.
You have all the time you need.
하지만 거인은 노리가 위험에 빠질 거라며 망설이는데
Nori. Shoes. Somehow I know that unless I find her soon, she will die. Both of them will die.
Many that die deserve life. Some that live deserve death.
Once I know that she's safe, I could return to you.
No. You cannot. There are times when one path becomes two, and you must choose.
She is my friend.
Your friend or your destiny? The choice is yours.
결국 거인이 노리를 구하기로 결정하는 사이 어느샌가 사라져버린 봄바딜. 그 시간 누메노르에선 엘렌딜의 재판이 열리고 있었는데요.
Incitement of a violent conflagration. Taken in sum, these hideous breaches of law warrant a sentence of death.
Elendil, son of Amandil, do you renounce your crimes?
For Numenor's true ruler is now and to the end of her days Miriel, daughter of Tar Palantir.
Now what are we to do with him?
Perhaps we should let the Valar decide his fate.
결국 이들은 엘렌딜을 발랄하는 신의 뜻에 맡기기로 합니다.
Do you forsake all earthly authority and accept the judgment of the Valar?
I accept their judgment.
Throw him in!
그런데 이때
Release him!
Given that his crime was committed in my name, I have the right to face the Valar's judgment in his place.
Is this true?
By the letter of the law, yes.
So it shall be!
Miriel, you
If we are to walk the path of the faithful, it must be me who takes the first step.
그렇게 미리엘이 엘렌딜 대신 발라의 심판을 받게 되는데요. 바닷속으로 빨려 들어간 미리엘은 발라와 마주합니다.
The Valar have deemed her innocent.
그렇게 심판에서 살아남은 미리엘은 다시 여왕으로 추앙받죠.
Tamriel! Queen of the Sea!
결국 민심의 불안함을 느낀 파라조는 그대로 수정구를 찾아가는데 한편 도리낭의 탐욕이 이어지면서 그 하자뜸은 엄청난 부를 누리게 됩니다.
I see the Seven is serving you well, Prince Durin.
이때 사우론이 나타나 에레기온이 위험하니 반지를 만들 미스리를 더 달라고 요구합니다.
We need more. How much shall I offer you?
Perhaps we'd be wise to discuss this first in private.
There's nothing to discuss. The answer is no. Please give my regrets to Lord Celebrimbor.
결국 사우론은 빈손으로 돌아가는데요.
For a moment, I was afraid you'd taken leave of all your senses.
On the contrary, I have never been of sounder mind. But do not worry, my son. War is coming to Middle-earth. And the army that bears the weapons and armor of Mithril is all but invincible. We can name our price.
사실 도리낭은 전쟁을 이용해 더 큰 돈을 노리고 있었죠.
The whole world's gone mad, my son.
Father, take off the ring.
I will not.
Then he's left us no choice.
잠시 후 도린의 아내는 어떻게 해서든 채굴을 막아야 한다고 주장하지만
I can't do it. I can't do it, Disa. And in his eyes, I still see my father.
If we don't act now, we'll never reach it. He'll destroy himself and take this kingdom with him.
그날 저녁 미스릴이 있는 곳으로 향하는 채굴장인들.
Disa? Disa, we're here on orders from the king. So please move. Otherwise, I've no choice but to see you moved. I'm sorry. Is that meant to frighten us off?
No. They are.
이때 이때 박쥐떼들이 나타나 채굴장인들을 내쫓습니다.
I love you.
Love me later.
Yes, Halbrand is Sauron. He's in Eregion to craft rings that will allow him to dominate my kind. And yours.
Every kind in Middle-earth.
But he will not attempt escape until his task is complete.
한편 갈라드리엘은 어쩔 수 없이 아다르와의 동맹을 받아들이지만
You speak lies, hoping I will reveal something.
You have already revealed everything I hoped you would. And more.
아다르가 원한 건 할브란드가 사우론이라는 정보뿐이었죠.
All of Eregion may well be under Sauron's control by now. It will take far more than a legion of your children to lay siege to it.
Did you really think I would attempt to challenge the might of Sauron with a single legion?
이 순간을 위해 엄청난 병력과 병기를 모아둔 아다르.
Now that you have confirmed beyond any doubt who he is, and told me who carries your ring, Eregion will fall. And Sauron with it.
No. This must be what he wants. Sauron has no army of his own. So he has lured yours here instead. He wants you to attack Eregion.
Bind her. She will be useful later.
No.
I will make him choke on it.
No! You mustn't! This is all his design! This is what Sauron wants!
하지만 결국 아다르의 나팔 소리가 울려 퍼지기 시작하고 나팔 소리에 반응한 대규모 오크 부대가 진격을 시작합니다.
Time the bells! We're under attack!
그리고 무언가를 준비하는 사우론.
How fares your progress?
Outside, sounded like the siege alarm.
I assure you, I have the affairs of the city well in hand. You belong in here, my friend.
I've had quite enough of you telling me where I belong! Unhand me, friend.
We still have 9 rings to forge.
그렇게 켈레브린포르가 밖으로 나가려 하자 사우론은 환영을 만들어 그를 속입니다.
I sought to craft objects of great power. The truth of it is, I came to Eregion not because the Valar needed you, but because I did.
I cannot forge more rings. And without Mithril,
Be at ease. I have been to Khazad Dûm. Mithril ore, refined to a powder by Narvi himself. It should be enough. I give you my oath. Upon my immortal being, the rings of power, they will be deemed the most precious creations in all Middle-earth.
결국 켈레브린포르는 또다시 사우론에게 속고 마는데요.
The threshold, use it. My friend. Best yourself.
곧바로 사우론은 아다르의 부대를 맞이하기 위해 성벽으로 향합니다. 그 시간 아다르 역시 공격을 준비하는데 그렇게 에레기온을 향한 아다르의 공격이 시작되죠. 본격적으로 에레기온을 포위하는 아다르.
What orders from Lord Celebrimbor?
Lord Celebrimbor refuses to permit a counterattack. Celebrimbor's mind is gone. We are alone.
그런데 어째서인지 투석 공격은 에레기온을 지나치고 있었는데요.
Prepare for ground assault.
They're damming the river.
그렇게 암석이 떨어지며 에레기온은 더 이상 물러설 곳이 없게 되었죠.
Prepare for ground assault!
한편 아론디르가 도착하지만 이미 시작된 전쟁을 막을 수 있는 상황은 아니었습니다. 그렇게 시작되는 대규모 전쟁.
Captain, they have a Ravager.
한편 그 시간 대장간에 있던 켈레브린보르는 무언가 이상한 점을 눈치채는데요.
Are they finished?
Look, the embers.
Celebrimbor, whatever so inspired this epiphany, I assure you, we have not the time for.
We would appear to have all the time that we need. The candles have not burned an inch all day. What have you done to me?
Done to you? Listen to yourself.
No, what have you done to me? Who are you? I want the Nine! No!
그제서야 켈레브린보르는 바깥의 상황을 알게 됩니다. 그리고 자신이 사우론에게 이용당했다는 사실을 알죠.
The Mithra. What is this?
I have learned so much from you since I came to Eregion, but no lesson more lasting than this. True creation requires sacrifice.
You are he.
그렇게 켈레브린보르는 사우론의 피로 반지를 만들었다는 걸 눈치챕니다. 늦게나마 켈레브린보르는 영주로서 책임을 다하려고 합니다.
Thank the Valar you're alive. We have been deceived. All of us. He planned all of this. To force me to forge the rings. He put me in some kind of a prison. A prison of the mind. But I'm out. You must believe me. You have to believe me!
하지만 이미 성벽이 뚫리기 직전인 위급한 상황.
We have to break the foundations! Quickly now!
그리고 그때 사우론이 나타납니다.
He is Sauron. Seize him! He has been lying to you all along.
No, he has been protecting us.
While you've been in your tower giving orders that might have been the end of us all.
하지만 이미 켈레브린보르의 말은 이들에게 닿지 않았는데요.
He is Sauron! Look at his hand, look at his blood! Black as pitch!
Come, my lord. Let's get you back where you belong.
Get your hands off me!
결국 그는 모든 신뢰를 잃게 됩니다.
Finish the 9, and I will spare your city.
What will you do with them?
Create a perfect and lasting peace.
그런데 이때 때마침 엘론드가 이끄는 부대가 도착합니다. 그렇게 아다르의 부대로 돌진하는 엘론드. 하지만 이때
Welcome, Commander Elrond.
잠시 후 엘론드는 아다르와 함께 마주 앉습니다.
The ring you carry. Show it to me.
Foolish act if I had brought it here.
Just kept charging Elrond.
If she speaks again, cut out her tongue. Sauron is my enemy as much as yours. Give me what I need to defeat him, and let us all be rid of him.
Is it not you that has done his bidding by laying siege to Eregion?
Eregion has fallen into shadow. It belongs to the Deceiver now, as does every elf within its walls.
Not Lord Celebrimbor.
It was Celebrimbor himself who welcomed Sauron. If even a fragment of her wisdom is in your veins, you must know you cannot defeat me in battle.
Not before you have painted the sands of the Glanduin black with the blood of your kin. Are you prepared to spend their lives so freely? Adar.
The ring for Galadriel's life. What is it to be?
Ask me on the field, when the neck with a blade against it is yours.
I will meet you there, with her head on a pike.
If that is to be the way of things, I should like to bid her farewell.
그리고 엘론드는 갈라드리엘에게 작별 인사를 하죠. 그런데 사실 엘론드에겐 계획이 있었습니다.
The enemy outnumber us 10 to 1. So why the confidence?
Nistan enu Yadar Orthoth Luista.
And what is that?
Ernil Durin, Deliatha, o Chathodron Sifwin. Quoais Nelithing Gwaithin Nagothrin. Anna Eglain i estu itu Liathodin, Tirvina Rau Adar.
Then.
Warriors of Khazad Dûm, at this moment, the great tale of our age is being written, and it falls to us to decide whether it'll end in tragedy.
이때 갈라드리엘은 엘론드에게 받은 장신구로 수갑을 푸는데 성공하는데요.
Triumph, who stole the 7 smithing secrets from our forebears, has returned, forging rings to enslave us and all of Middle-earth. The elves cannot defeat him. Not without us. Fight with me, so all the world can see that dwarven loyalty is a force stronger than any sorcery! Will you fight with her friends?
그렇게 두린이 연설을 끝낸 그 시각, 본격적으로 전쟁을 시작하는 엘론드와 아다르.
Put us through your guts, elf!
Quando?
그렇게 엘론드가 이끄는 요정부대가 생각 이상으로 잘 싸우자 오크들은 동요하기 시작합니다.
We may not breach it. What are your orders, Lord Father? Shall we sound the retreat?
No. Bring down that wall. At any cost.
Adar!
Nam kipakai. Kinam shupak. Too much to let you become Sauron's slaves.
그런데 이때 갈라드리엘이 도망친 거란 아다르.
Torbat! She's still in the camp. Find her.
그 시간 갈라드리엘은 몰래 이곳을 빠져나가고 있었는데요.
Look at that pretty hair.
그런데 이때 마침 아론디르가 그녀를 돕습니다.
Come, I know a hidden way into the city. We must find Sauron.
I'm here for him.
Try to move against him now. The cost will be your life.
He can have it. He has taken everything else from me.
Arondir. And the true fight with Adar will come later.
그렇게 갈라드리엘이 아론디르를 설득하는 사이 출격 준비를 하는 두린.
Your father. He turned his axe on my men. But he's gonna dig. He's gonna loose that beast. Disa. I don't know. But she sent me to find you. You take that army to Eregion now. And Cousin Doom might not be here when you return.
결국 두린은 발이 묶이게 되고 그 사이 켈레브린보르는 반지를 완성합니다. 그는 반지를 녹여버리려 했으나 반지는 멀쩡했고 이에 그는 반지를 가지고 도망치는데요.
So as not to be a danger to yourself. By order of Anatar, Lord of Eregion.
그런데 이때
Release him!
My lady.
Release him.
But the Lord of Eregion orders...
This is the Lord of Eregion.
Celebrimbor. It's me.
When I saw you, for a moment I was certain that you were but another illusion. 9 rings. To enslave the world of men. As he enslaved me.
켈레브린보르는 자신 때문에 반지가 완성됐다며 이 반지가 사우론의 손에 넘어가지 않게 해달라 간절히 부탁합니다.
I'm sure it is some time before that comes to pass. Take the rings Save anyone in the city you can. Hurry.
No.
My place is here.
And he will not be alone.
I'm sorry I wasn't stronger.
Neither of us was strong enough. But perhaps the elves need only remember that it is not strength that overcomes darkness, but light. Hearts may fail, yet still light endures and is mightier than strength. For in its presence, all darkness must flee.
그렇게 자리를 뜨는 켈레브린보르. 한편 에레기온의 성벽은 무너지기 일보 직전이었는데요. 공성병기가 파괴되려 하자 아다르는 준비했던 비밀병기를 꺼내려 합니다.
Send him in. Lord Father, he will kill our own kind. Send him in.
그러자 숲속에서 무언가가 움직이기 시작하는데요.
The orcs. They're fleeing.
No. They're clearing a path.
그 시간 반지를 찾는 사우론.
You shall not find them here. They will be far from your reach by now.
Your hand will never touch another ring again.
By order of the true Lord of Eregion, you, Sauron, are hereby...
You think it was only you who put yourself in my power?
하지만 얌전히 당할 사우론이 아니었죠.
You will give me the nine.
한편 성벽 앞에 나타난 거대 오크는 눈앞에 보이는 모든 걸 파괴하기 시작합니다.
Must not reach the wall! Commander, look out!
그런데 이때 화가 난 오크는 성벽을 부수려 합니다. 하지만 이때 요정왕과 기사들이 등장하고 그렇게 세 사람은 힘을 합쳐 겨우 거대 오크를 제압하는 데 성공합니다. 그런데 이때 아다르가 이끄는 압도적인 규모의 본대가 움직이죠. 바로 그때 동이 트기 시작하고
The dwarves! The dwarves are coming! Look to the north!
엘론드는 난쟁이들의 증언이 오는 것을 기다렸지만
Borahir. Durin recalled their army.
No. Must be some mistake.
결국 둘이는 아버지를 막기 위해 크하자툼에 남을 수밖에 없었죠.
Durin will come.
그렇게 아다르의 본대와 사투를 벌이는 이들. 하지만 결국 압도적인 전력차로 인해 성벽이 무너지고 맙니다. 게다가 엘론드는 아다르에게 반지까지 빼앗기고 말죠. 그 시간 9개의 반지를 챙겨 도망가던 갈라들이 잠시 후 이들은 성 밖으로 겨우 나오지만
I'm the one your Lord Father wants. Set them free, and I will go willingly.
같은 시간 켈레브린보르는 사우론에게 끔찍한 고문을 당하고 있었습니다.
They will be here any moment. Tell me where you have hidden the rings, and I will end your suffering now.
But the rings are beyond your reach, as I shall be ere long.
Your words are empty.
No. No, hear me. Hear me! Shadow of Morgoth, one alone shall prove your utter ruin!
I am their master.
No. Of the rings. You are their prisoner.
결국 숨을 거두는 켈레브린보르. 그 시간 크하자툼.
It's the ring. It has him. Mind and soul.
Get them to the healing chamber.
What are you gonna do?
No matter what you hear, do not follow me down that mine.
잠시 후 둘이는 아버지와 마주하는데요.
Take off the ring!
You're strong enough to wield an axe. But are you strong enough to use it against your father?
Be strong again, Father. Take it off. I beg you.
A dwarf should never beg.
Come and see, my son! Come and see the true wealth of our mountain!
The dynasty of Durin.
그리고 안쪽에 보이는 엄청난 양의 미스릴.
But to see our mountain the way I do, you have to wear a ring, my son.
It's not our mountain, Father.
With these rings, it could be.
그런데 이때
Run.
결국 오랜 시간 잠들어 있던 난쟁이들의 재앙, 발록이 깨어나고 맙니다.
Durin! Durin! Durin!
Forgive me, my son.
그렇게 발록과 싸우던 두리낭은 숨을 거두게 되었고 그 시간 놀이를 찾고 있는 거인.
Manwë promised you would come. I confess my patience wavered, but my faith in you, old friend, did not.
You know me.
Know you? We are as kin. But you were the one who convinced me to leave the uttermost west for this world, because you knew none of us could ever hope to defeat Sauron alone.
이때 어둠의 마법사는 자신을 따라오면 거인의 잃어버린 기억과 놀이 일행도 풀어주겠다고 말하는데요.
Poppy, Nori! I instructed they were not to be harmed.
They won't be. Once you have given us all that we were promised.
I see now I was foolish to place trust in such low company.
My people were once kings, wizard.
Bashur! Bashur, sir! We tried to find you.
My dear friends.
Dark Wizard. That is a name I do not embrace. Placed upon me by men long ago out of ignorance and fear of our kind. I hope my actions today will lead you to know better of me.
This the sort of action you mean?
You pity him whose blade was at your throat.
And if you were to defeat Sauron, would that suffice? Or would you seek to become his successor?
Walk with me, and in time, we will both be his successors.
I would sooner walk this desert forevermore, nameless and forgotten.
결국 거인이 제안을 거절하자 어둠의 마법사는 이곳을 붕괴시키려 합니다.
When your senses have returned, I will be waiting.
다음날 목숨을 구해준 거인에게 인사를 전하는 털발족들.
Thank you kindly, Grand Elf.
Goodbye, Grand Elf.
Grand Elf?
They've never seen an elf before. It's their first migration. They haven't the foggiest wasp to bring. If I had my druthers, we'd walk the wastes of this world. It's high time I walked my path.
결국 노리는 새로운 털발족에게 향하며 거인과 헤어지게 됩니다. 그리고 주변을 살피던 거인은 문득 지팡이로 보이는 듯한 물건을 발견하는데요.
It was all a test, wasn't it? It was meant to help them. It was meant to find this.
A wizard does not find his staff. It finds him. Like his name.
Gandalf. That's what they're going to call me, isn't it?
Now let the song begin.
Merry dog, derry dog, ring-a-ding-dillo. Sandflies in the grass, bees around the willow.
그렇게 간달프가 이름을 되찾자 어둠의 마법사 역시 이를 인지합니다.
His jacket.
한편 누메노르에선 파라존이 원로들을 불러 모으는데
Leaders of the faithful!
To what end?
We have learned why Miriel was able to bewitch the sea. It would seem she has an ally of cunning powers. An ally who has already bruised Numenor once, and is now gathering strength to make us bleed.
Absurd. The Sea Queen has no allies but the Valar who uphold her. Sauron.
All so-called faithful are now declared traitors of Westerness.
그렇게 파라존은 미리엘에게 충성한 사람들을 반역자로 몰기 시작하고 그 사이 엘렌디를 만나는 미리엘.
It is called Narsil.
The white flame.
Reclaim your lordship, and with this sword, your destiny.
이렇게 엘렌딜이 누메노르의 복음을 손에 넣는 사이 갈라드리엘은 아다르에게 끌려오는데요.
Sea elf, turn yourself in.
Leave us.
I accept your terms, Uruk. End this slaughter, and I will do as you asked. I will help you destroy him.
How do you expect to destroy Sauron without your ring? It would seem even wounds that have endured an age can sometimes yet be healed.
Adar.
When last I looked like this, I was known by another name. Adar is the name I earned. Help me earn it back. Take it. Help me vanquish Sauron with it, and I swear to you, I will recall my children to Mordor, never to make war on Middle-earth again. No more flames, and no more darkness. Let this ring heal the rift between Elf and Uruk. Let us create a lasting peace in Middle-earth.
오크와 요정들의 동맹 관계가 성사되려던 바로 그때
What happened?
We found Sauron, Lord Father. The others are pursuing him now.
Forgive me, John. It's too late. It is never too late. Not even for me. And not for you, my son.
It's too late.
그렇게 아다르는 자식들에게 공격받기 시작하고 이때 사우론이 모르고스의 왕관에 손을 댑니다.
They are not children anymore.
What orders? Lord Sauron!
Raise Eregion. Leave no elf alive, but bring me their leaders.
결국 사우론은 아다르를 향한 복수를 완벽하게 해내죠.
Was your design from the beginning?
Please. You think too much of me. Not even I can see all its parts. It is even more beautiful than Celebrimbor led me to believe. Give it to me.
그렇게 두 사람의 싸움이 시작됩니다. 한편 오크들에게 잡히는 요정들.
Wait! Lord Sauron wanted their leaders unharmed!
그 시간 사우론과 갈라드리엘은 결판을 내려 합니다.
Galadriel. Surely you, of all elves, must understand that to find the light, we must first touch the darkness.
We are not alike. We never were.
Not all of it.
그런데 이때
Fighting at your side, I felt if I could just hold on to that feeling.
They could no longer distinguish me from the evil I was fighting.
사우론은 계속해서 모습을 바꾸며 갈라드리엘을 현혹하는데요.
Are they not the seeds you planted? I see you. The door is still open.
The door is shut.
I would have placed a crown upon your head. I would never have rested.
Free peoples of Middle-earth will always resist you.
The rings are mine.
하지만 이때 사태를 수습한 난쟁이들의 지원군이 도착하고
The prince is in mourning.
Give me your ring. Galadriel. Your ring.
갈라드리엘을 현혹하는 사우론. 하지만
You wish to heal Middle-earth. Heal yourself.
결국 반지를 지키기 위해 최후의 선택을 하는 갈라드리엘.
We are overwhelmed, Lord Sauron. The dwarves are securing the elves' retreat. If we pursue, many orders.
잠시 후 다행히 살아있는 갈라드리엘을 발견한 요정들.
These are not merely wounds of the body. Her very immortal spirit is being drawn into the Shadow Realm. The darkness is too powerful. I cannot save her.
I can. We can.
Eregion has fallen. The survivors have fled to a valley north of here.
Dispatch word. Tell him Khazad-dûm stands ready to offer aid once more.
한편 정신을 차린 갈라드리엘.
Rest. We are safe here.
What is this place?
The sanctuary, protected by the elven rings.
다시 갈라드리엘에게 반지를 돌려주는 엘론드.
I have gathered the others, High King. They await your decision.
Sauron's armies are roving across Eriador.
Few who survived are all but broken in body or spirit. They have little strength left with which to fight. They barely had strength to flee.
What course would you advise, Commander Galadriel?
I would remember the counsel of our dear friend, Celebrimbor, greatest of elven smiths. It is not strength that overcomes darkness, but light. And the sun yet shines.
결국 그녀는 빛이 있는 한 계속 어둠과 싸우기로 결정합니다. 그렇게 요정들의 희망찬 모습과 함께 힘의 반지 시즌2는 막을 내립니다.